Welcome to our captivating journey of exploration and innovation. My name is Jacob and I am thrilled to have you join me on this exciting adventure. I want this channel to be all about collaboration and learning from one another, so your active participation, questions and insights will enrich our shared experience and hopefully create a supportive community of like-minded individuals. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video as we delve into the captivating adventure together and create something extraordinary with the magic of 3D printing. Imagine a gateway to the cosmos. That's precisely what the Quest Joint Airlock is. It's like the space station's very own door, but way more sophisticated. This module serves as both an entrance and an exit, allowing astronauts to safely venture outside the space station into the vacuum of space. It's an essential part of supporting EVAs where astronauts step out into space with their spacesuits on and become true cosmic explorers. From the outer structure to the tiniest detail, well, maybe not to the tiniest detail, but I think that the printer did quite a good job replicating this crucial piece of space history. So as you can see, I already removed it from the plate and removing the raft did not stick that hard this time, so it was quite easy to remove. Take a look at the bottom here. I think looks pretty good. So in a second I will start removing the supports that I've added for the printing and cleaning inside of the shape a little bit, just to it will accommodate properly the all other parts that you can actually see just behind on the printing plate. The first part of airlock body was cleaned. This is the second part, the one that is actually attached to ISS. I just removed it from the plate. We're gonna remove the raft, clean all the supports, take a look at how the layers looks like, and in general if the model is intact, and we're gonna move forward. So I'm just removing the raft from this model, and did not came off in the hull, so I'm just removing it with the knife here. Fortunately it did not cause any damage to the model as it did on the Starship. Someone in the comments suggested that I should just completely get rid of the raft, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. If someone who knows much more about suggesting that I should not be using, I think that would be a good idea to at least try and see for myself how is it gonna work. So this is the airlock body, that's how it looks like. Obviously it's all gonna be glued together, so we've got 3 parts left. That one here is a hinge, and those hinges are all over the station model. I'm not really sure what they are. I think they could be for Canadarm, but I'm not sure, to be honest. The next to it in the middle is the toolbox. This toolbox goes into the large elongated groove that you can see, airlock body that sits on the table just right there. And the one on the left is a airlock manhole, so I think that would be the manhole that astronauts would use to go out the station to perform EVAs and then come back in. I think that's the one. This is the hinge, and look how tiny it is. Maybe that's good that had a raft, so it's easier to remove it from the raft than actually from the plate. I'm not actually sure, to be honest, but there you go. The measurement, I think 6.1 millimeter. That's all it is. So let's remove it and we're gonna take a quick look at the toolbox. So this is the toolbox, and this is what it's gonna sit. Once the whole project is done, that's gonna be glued in there. If you would be interested in the measurements of the model, there you go, 18 mil in diameter. If you join the two parts together, it's gonna be 56 millimeters. This part is 43 millimeters that way. This is the toolbox. Toolbox is 8.8 that way and 17.45 lengthways, and the manhole is a 9.23 millimeters in diameter. Thank you for joining me and spending the time with me. As I mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to comment, tell me what you think, introduce yourself, tell me where you're from, and that's it for today. Have a great one, and see you next time. There is one more thing that I want to show you. There is a few more parts already printed. I'm gonna uncover all that in the next video. So thanks again, all the best, bye.